So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for your eBay store or YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning into this how-to video. I'm going to show you how to make a QR code today for your YouTube channel or eBay store. Bartermania here, one of our subscribers, reached out and said, hey, I would love to see how you can make a QR code for your YouTube channel or eBay store. We did another how-to video on how to package up a coffee cup. And if you haven't watched that yet, I'll put a link up above to go check that one out. So today, this is super simple on how to make a QR code for your channel. So I'm going to share my screen here real quick right here, and I'm going to show you guys real quick on how to do this. So I go to Google and just typed in free QR code generator. You can do Google with logo, Shopify. I found it was just easier just to go ahead and do this, hit enter. And as you can see, I actually already clicked on a few when I was trying to find how to do this. I actually went with this one. So right here, all you need is your URL. You can set your colors, you can add a logo image, you can customize the design. So I go here, go to my YouTube channel, Yinzer Picker. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We're getting super close to 900 subscribers. Once we hit 900, we are going to do a giveaway. We are going to give away a Google Home. Then once we hit 1,000, we're going to do another big giveaway there. But we're going to copy this and go back to this QR code monkey, and we are going to enter our website. There we go. You can set the colors and stuff. I left the colors the same as what was already there. Now, I did add a logo and image, and I can show you that in a second. I'm going to go grab it real quick. I'm going to show you that in a second, though, once this is all done. So now, once you do that, you can just hit create QR code. It's going to create it for you. Right there. Now you hit download. Now, I did sign up at the end because the only reason is you can actually see it's generating. But if you sign up, you can actually see where your QR code has been scanned. Now, if I look at my QR code, I can actually see that it's been scanned in Pittsburgh and whatnot. So I'm going to open up this file. There's my QR code right here. That is my QR code. So you can save that to your desktop and use it however you want. Now, one of the ways that we did it, and I'm going to exit out of this. Actually, I'm going to do this real quick. Since we're on the topic here, if you can add say you wanted to add your YouTube here, create your QR code, it would actually put your logo in the center of the QR code. So if you have a logo and you wanted to do that, it's perfectly fine. So for purposes here, what we did is we took that QR code and we actually made these little pieces of paper. As subscribe, our Yinzer Picker logo, and scan me to find our next treasure, your next treasure. Well, we had stickers made up, and what we've been doing is we've been putting these on the outside of the envelopes to be shipped. And we've actually slipped a couple of these in the envelopes too. The ones on the outside, we are actually hoping that maybe the mailman, the post office, as it's getting to its destination, that they're going to scan it. And then we're hoping that once it makes it to its destination, the one inside, the person who bought the item will actually scan it. This way, we are hoping that when they scan this QR code, it takes them right to your YouTube channel. Now, if you have a link tree, you can post that link from your link tree to that. So that way, it'll take you to all your links. You can have your eBay store, you can have your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. Now, if you wanted to create a QR code for your eBay store, all you have to do is copy your eBay store link from your page into that instead of the YouTube link, and it would post it. Now, I did print out some on these labels here, these Avery labels that I had just laying around the house. I wanted to print some stickers out before our stickers actually came in. Well, these ones, I actually put the logo. Now, today, kind of funny. I went and dropped my post office, the packages off at the post office. And when I was dropping them off, the lady said, "Oh, what is this?" And she noticed our logo in the QR code. And she said, "Well, it actually worked because it had me wondering what it was." So this is what it actually looks like with the logo in it. Sorry, it's not the greatest picture. And it's also not the greatest copy. But you can see the Yinzer Picker logo inside the QR code. Super cool way to get your channel out there, to get your eBay store out there, to get, hey, anything out there, your TikTok page, your Instagram page, everything. It's super easy way. Nowadays, people have smartphones, pretty much everybody. So all they have to do is take a picture of that. It's going to take them directly to that. So I appreciate you guys sticking around for this how-to video. Comment below if there's something else that you'd like to see us do for how-to, like how do you do this, how do you do that. We like doing these. It's kind of cool. It kind of helps you learn, and hopefully we can save you some time when you go to do something next. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.